Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable or disable gesture navigation on Android 14. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone and open the Settings app to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Next, scroll down and choose the Accessibility option on the screen. This menu contains additional options for customizing your accessibility features. Step 3. Now scroll down to locate the System Controls option. Tap on it. Step 4. Next, locate the Navigation Mode option. Tap on it. Unfortunately, this is turned off. Step 5. For the last and most important step, tap on the Gesture Navigation option to turn it on. Do you want to hide the navigation bar? Tap on Gesture Navigation Settings, then tap the Hide Navigation Bar option, and the Gesture Navigation Bar will be hidden instantly. Do you want to change the back sensitivity for the left edge? Swipe the slider to your preferred setting. Or do you want to change the back sensitivity for the right edge? Swipe the slider to the level you like. Or do you want to turn the option off again? Tapping the 3 buttons navigation option will turn it off automatically. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.